Mamma mia! Hello guys, I am Andrea from Cuoredicioccolato. Today we make homemade gnocchi using sweet potato. So it's not the traditional Italian recipe because instead of the classic potato we use sweet potato. First for the color, so they will be very fashion. And also because they are more firm, so you need less flour. Less flour means soft gnocchi instead of rubber gnocchi like the one that you buy in the shop. For this recipe you need, using 1 kilogram of potato, only 200-250 grams of flour, 1 egg and a pinch of salt. Now I will bake my potato. If you have not the oven you can boil it then, but baking the potato help the potato to remain a little bit drier, so you need less flour. So we put the potato in the oven and we bake at 200 Celsius degree for 30 minutes. Please be careful because it's very hot. We need to smash the potato. Here we have 250 grams of potato, so I will add only half of the egg, the other half I add to the orange one, and a pinch of salt. With 250 grams of potato, 30 grams of flour will be enough because, like you can see, it's very dry. I show you only with the violet because with the orange is the same technique. So we should shape a kind of sausage like this, and after we should cut our gnocchi. Super easy. And voila, they are ready. Okay, our gnocchi are ready. You can see the orange one and the violet one. Before we boil them, I prepare a kind of white sauce, we can say, with the things that easy for me to find here in Thailand. So now in this small pot I will put half tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of cooking cream, the one homemade from me, and 1.5 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. We will melt everything, and when the sauce is ready we can boil our gnocchi. Remember, first the orange and after the violet, because when you cook the violet the water becomes blue, so I don't want that everything will be blue. Remember to add at least 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. I don't know if you have noticed, the water now is blue. Spectacular, very soft. They melt in the mouth with this kind of dressing, really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try to make gnocchi at home, let us know down in the comment. If you try with other kind of potato, let us know down in the comment. And also, if you have some advice, instead of this Parmesan cream, what kind of dressing you will use it, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye. Really spectacular, super soft.